Starting over multiple times can be exhausting, especially when each new beginning brings uncertainty and instability. Income fluctuations add to the stress, making it difficult to plan for the future or feel secure in daily life. The constant need to adapt and find solutions often leads to frustration, as temporary fixes rarely address the underlying issues. Many people yearn for a lasting answer, something reliable that brings peace of mind and stability, rather than another complex or short-lived remedy. This desire reflects a fundamental need for continuity and assurance amidst ongoing challenges. When I discovered this simplified, step-by-step, learn-and-earn system that offers a clear path to building sustainable income, I was more than relieved. By focusing on automation and straightforward processes, this approach minimizes confusion and reduces the need for frequent adjustments. Stability is achieved as tasks become routine and predictable, allowing for consistent progress. Over time, the combination of simplicity and automation supports ongoing growth, making it easier to maintain momentum without the stress of starting over. This method empowers individuals to achieve financial goals with greater confidence and less disruption. If you are also tired of uncertainty and starting over, again and again, comment how, and I'll show you the system.